Hello, guys. It is an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. I know I've met some of you, but let me introduce myself again. My name is Pangisti as the moderator, Deborah as the first speaker, Jenar as the second speaker, and Yunita as the third speaker. The biggest problem right now is plastic waste. The widespread use of plastic in everyday product and packaging has led to an increase in plastic waste in our environment, especially in the ocean. We, as the younger generation, must set an example in reducing plastic waste. Now, let's discuss what we can do to reduce plastic waste. Today, we would like to talk about reducing waste. Our presentation is divided into three parts. The first, packaging free shopping option. The second, food waste problem and composting resolution. The third is bioplastic versus traditional plastic. Without any further delay, let's start with the first point in our discussion today that will be presented by Deborah. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Packaging-free shopping options. The eco-friendly packaging, also known as environmentally friendly packaging, is a container made using material that easily degrade in the soil, can be recycled, and are not harmful to the environment and humans. Even though eco-friendly packaging is not only used to preserve the environment but also as a new trend for sellers. There are several examples of eco-friendly packaging that can be using for everyday life, such as paper bag or brown paper bag, cardboard, canvas bag, and foam. Using this eco-friendly packaging can help reduce the potential for population in the future. I think that's all from me. I will give the time back to the moderator. Thank you.
After knowing about packaging free shopping option, now it's time for you to know food waste problem and composting solution. That will be presented by Jenar. Time is yours.
Thank you so much for the time. Food waste is the large component of landfill. It not only takes up valuable space, but also waste resource used in food production. If you want to solve this problem, you can make a compost out of food scrap. Composting will be created by recycling organic material such as fruit and vegetable scrap by allowing them to decompose over time. Composting also has many benefits besides reducing carbon footprint. It can also help fertilize the soil by retaining moisture and suppressing plant pests and diseases. You will be feeling satisfied if you make compost because it can help reduce waste because its food waste is left alone and not composted immediately. It will make the surrounding environment unhealthy and disrupt air circulation. I think that's all for me. Now I will give the time back to the moderator. Thank you.
Now, let's turn to the next point about bioplastic versus traditional plastic. That will be presented by Yunita. Time is yours.
Thank you so much for the time. Bioplastics are a type of plastic produced from natural sources or organic materials such as plants. Meanwhile, traditional plastics are made from fossil fuels or petroleum. The use of bioplastics has the potential to reduce the amount of plastic waste in the environment because bioplastics are designed to biodegrade more easily compared to traditional plastics. The production process of traditional plastics causes severe pollution, and environmental damage. Additionally, traditional plastics will be taking hundreds of years to decompose. I think that's all from me. Now I'll give the time back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, guys, if you have any question, I will be pleased to answer them at the end of the presentation. Let me just run over the key point again.
We have to reduce plastic waste, especially we can use paper bags, canvas bags, and others that are environmentally friendly and can be recycled. Apart from plastic waste, we also have to pay attention to everyday food waste so as not to pollute the environment. We can make compost with food waste, which is certainly very useful for plant fertility. Thank you.
Thank you all for listening. It was a pleasure being here today.